Hi, my name is Dorena, and I'm better known as the Space Doula. And this month inside the Lynn Academy, our theme is offerings. It's all about showing appreciation to the universe. What we appreciate grows. And as I began thinking about this, I thought, how can we give an offering to our homes? What would that look like? And the thing that came to mind, and bear with me because I get really excited about this topic and it might dump me into the weird category, but cleaning is the most impactful way that you can give back to your home. Let's talk about the three different benefits of cleaning. The first one is that when you clean, you are focusing on your home. You are focusing on the floors, the windows, the walls, the systems of your home. When you focus on these different areas, week after week, month after month, you begin seeing what needs to be fixed before it's broken. You get to address the little problem before it becomes a big problem. So maybe it's the air filter needs to be replaced, or maybe you start noticing that drain is not flowing quite as quickly, that it's starting to clog, or that door is sticky, the lock is broken. You notice the things in your home that need to be fixed before they become an emergency. And that's just like in our life, right? Because remember, our homes are a mirror of our life. And so if we look at addressing the small issues in our life, in our home, before they become the big issues, then how much easier, how much more flow we have in our lives, right? So that's the first. When we focus on our homes, we notice the problems. We can bring attention. We can fix something before it actually becomes a big break. Number two, when you clean, it clears the negative energy. So when you are dusting and you're getting rid of the dust bunnies, because energy likes to stick to those dust bunnies, right? And your space begins to feel a little heavier when there's more dirt, when there's more grime. So when you clean, you are clearing that negative energy, particularly when you're cleaning with non-toxic things, non-toxic cleaners. And then number three is you bring positive energy into your home when you clean. So what I love to do when I clean is I love to play my favorite, put in my AirPods and listen to my favorite playlist, my favorite podcast, so that it becomes something fun. It becomes something enjoyable. And so when I have joy in my heart, when I'm feeling uplifted, that's the energy that I'm literally scrubbing into my home, right? So as I pour love into my home is going to reciprocate and pour love into me. There's a symbiotic relationship between one and the other. So have fun. A little cleaning here, a little cleaning there. You don't have to spend an entire day doing it. Do what's best for you. Maybe it's a little bit one day, a little bit next day, whatever works. And then if you have some ideas for some great green cleaners, let us know in the comments. Let us know what you use. And I will look forward to seeing you back here next month. Mwah.